Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Rocky Prism Rod skin in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the rod skin looks like, and if you want to get this rod skin, you need to join the Pirate Cove event or the pirate event. You can complete this quest guys. Okay, the pirate event quest, and then you need to earn Dloons or the pirate tokens, and these are my daily quests, and you will get this Rocky Prism Rod skin after you can earn certain Dloons. And if I'm not mistaken, you need to earn at least 2,000 Dloons to get this Rocky Prism Rod skin. Okay, and yeah, it looks cool. And if you want to equip the rod skin, you just need to go to the rods and scroll all the way to the right, and then just click on equip skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Rocky Prism Rod skin in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!